camera. Yeah. 27. This is very dangerous, I think. We are now in Canberra, which is a very poor...
It's a slum.
It's a slum.
It's a slum.
So we might not make it.
This is where I immigrated from.
If we die, this is our last video, so
Farewell.
bye.
Farewell.
We have returned from the door knock ordeal. Lisa's in a coma. I barely survived. Oh, look at her. She's in a coma. It's what's known as a respiratory coma. And air keeps leaving her mouth.